Hello lovelies, it's Ada's Recipes here. How you guys doing? Thank you so much for stopping by. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make vegetable spring roll. This was so crispy and tasty. So if you've not made vegetable spring roll or spring roll for the first time, watching this video, you're going to get it from the very first try. It's easy to come up with. Continue watching as I show you how to come up with this deliciousness. So let's delve in. I have cabbage, carrot, onion, pepper and spring onions. So the first thing we are going to do is to prep these vegetables. We're going to use this to shred the cabbage. So as you guys can see, this is nicely and thinly shredded. So the next thing I'm going to do is, in a dry pan, put some vegetable oil, leave to heat up a little, then add chopped onions and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so next to go in is shredded carrot. Make sure that you use the bigger part of the grater to grate the carrots. The next, spring onions, pepper. Then you stir fry for about 2 minutes. Then next add the shredded cabbage and stir fry for about 3 minutes. So you don't need to overcook the vegetables. Add seasoning cube, salt, then give it a stir. So next, put it into a plate to cool. Make sure there is no water left in the vegetable. As you guys can see, the pan is so dry, so make sure the stir-fry veggies is as dry as, okay? So spread to cool completely. Set this aside. In a dry bowl, sift your all-purpose flour, add salt, combine, then you add water. So it's time for us to make our spring rolls wrapper. Okay, you can also use the same wrapper for samosas. We have different methods of making spring rolls or samosa wrapper, but I'm going to show you the method I'm going to be using. As you guys can see, we've mixed the flour with water, and this is the consistency we need to make this spring rolls wrapper. In a heated pan, spread the spring roll batter like so. Leave it to dry. Then you pull off like so. As you guys can see, this is a wrapper. So repeat the same process. So this is a spring roll wrapper. You can use this for your samosas too, okay? As you guys can see, it's ready. So next we are going to mix flour with water to kind of make a sticker to seal the spring roll not to burst while frying, okay? So it's like a sealer. It will serve as a sealer so our spring rolls wouldn't burst while frying. Vegetables completely cooled. We have the vegetable, we have the sealer, and we have the wrapper, okay? So it's time for us to wrap our spring rolls. So take a little of the vegetable, place it like so. Make sure you don't add too much, so fold. So watch, the folding process is so easy. Then use the sealer. Then you fold. So guys, like I said, it's so easy to fold. As you guys can see, our spring roll is well folded. Repeat the same process until you exhaust everything. So you can also add chicken to your filling. So like I said, this is vegetable spring roll, right? You can also add shredded chicken to your filling or grounded chicken, depending on the one you like. So guys, as you guys can see, this is well folded, okay? So this is our spring rolls ready to be fried. So heat up your oil, add some onion for flavor. Then you put the spring rolls, fry on low medium heat. Guys, this spring roll was so yummy. Like, if you've not made spring rolls for the first time, just follow this step and you're going to get it. You turn to the other side. Guys, this was so crispy, so crispy. So guys, try this out and you're going to love it. For the recipe measurement, check the description below. Once it's golden brown, transfer to a paper towel to drain excess oil. Guys, our spring roll is ready. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.